Hello guys, this is Rizvi from AllSense. Today I will teach you about how to get the source code and XML code of an Android app. To get the source code and XML code, you just need the following tools to be downloaded in your desktop: Dex2Jar, Java Decompiler, APK tool and APK install. Now download all these tools and extract all the tools and place it in a new folder in your desktop. I already downloaded these tools and extracted all these tools and placed it in my folder called Android 2. Here we have Dex2Jar 2.0, APK tool, Java Decompiler and APK tool install. Now took an APK file and change the name .apk to .zip. And took an APK file called Sharit. All very well known about this APK. I'm just renaming it to .zip. Yeah. Now we extracting this folder. I will extract it to my desktop. It has been created. Here it is. I just moving from here to here. I have extracted this file of this APK. Now you will find the classes.dex file in the APK folder. Yeah, here it is. You just copy this file and paste it into the Dex2Jar folder. I'm just pasting here. Yeah, pasted it. Now open the command prompt and type cd change directory and your destination folder of Dex2Jar. In command prompt type cd refers to change directory, space, and my Dex2Jar destination folder here. I will copy this path and paste it into my command prompt and press enter. Now enter the command d2j dex2jar classes.dex. I just copy this command I just paste it here and now press enter. You see the classes dex2jar.jar file will be created. Yeah, it is created. Classes dex2jar.jar. Now open your Java decompiler. Java decompiler is here. Now open it. Go to my file and open file and look here the classes dex2jar.jar. Open it. Yeah, have got the Java file or source file, I mean source just got all these things of the APK. Now go to file and save all sources. File name to share it and save it. Now you have successfully got the code of an now you have got the source code of your application. The next thing, we want to get the XML codes of the application. So what we're doing next is creating an XML folder in my desktop. I'm creating a new folder called XML folder. And in that folder, paste APK tool, APK install and APK file in that folder. Just minimize this. Here it is, APK tool. Just copying. Pasting here. And we have got a folder called APK tool install, and we have got two files there, app.exe and another one is apktool.bat. Okay, just copy these both things and paste it here. Yeah. Now make your APK file and paste it here. I just rename it to .apk so that we'll get the APK file. Yeah, we have got that. I'm just moving this here. Yeah, we have done. After finishing these things, now open command prompt and type. I'm just closing this, opening again. cd change directory space your file path name of this XML folder. Just pasting, sorry guys, XML folder. My mouse is not working correctly. Just copy this part and paste it here. Yeah, we have made this, and press the enter. After that, enter the command apk tool decode apk and your file name .apk. I just copy this command. I just paste it here. In my file name I will do, I just share it. .apk. Because here it is, my APK file, share it .apk. Just pressing enter. Now it is decoding all the file resources. You have to wait for some moment. Yeah. Even once the process is completed, a folder with your application name will be created containing all these XML files. You have to check this now. Go to my XML folder. Yeah. I've got a folder created called shari.apk.out, and we have got that mainfest.xml file here. Yeah. We have successfully decoded the XML file here. We have finished this, and thank you guys. This is Rizvi and Hassan from AllSense.